buddies, Jaromsz here.
So for today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to register or fill out the eTravel. We will be putting the link on the description box. We need to create an account for us to generate a QR code. Input your email address here and click continue. After that, you will receive a one-time password on your email. You just need to input it here and click continue. You need to create your password, re-enter it again on the second box, and click continue. So after that, you'll be redirected on this page. Just fill out your personal information and don't forget to take a selfie or upload an image. Once done, click next. For the step 2, you just need to input your address information and click next. For the third step, you will see here all the information that you have filled out. Double check everything, and if it's all correct, click submit. eTravel is required upon entering or before leaving the Philippines, so you need to choose here if you are going to arrive or depart. Also, if you are traveling via air or sea, and if you are doing the form for yourself or for others. After that, you'll be redirected on this page. Just fill out the travel details and flight information. For the purpose of travel, you have selections here. For the traveler type, you can just choose aircraft passenger if you are a passenger. Once done filling out the information, just click next. After that, you need to answer some questions here and then click next. So this is the last part. Double check all the details again, and then if everything is okay, just click submit. So that's it. You are already registered with the eTravel. You can just screenshot this one for your reference. You will also receive a confirmation via email just like this.
So that's it for today. See you next tutorial, buddies.